Hi there, Tom Burns here, and if you are new to Google Ads, if you have very little experience or you've just not even touched it at all, there's going to be a lot of problems you run into as a newcomer. Something as basic as the interface. Google Ads has a really confusing interface that is not intuitive to navigate when you're first coming into it. It's going to be difficult to know what is the right way to create a campaign. There's many different ways you can organize campaigns. What is the right way? What are the best practices that are going to help you get the best results? It's also going to be really confusing or seem impossible to be able to track exactly your return on investment, how much money you're spending on it, and then actually be able to accurately track how much money you're making out of it in the sales that you make as a result of your ads. Finally, it's not really obvious once you create your campaign and you have your ads going, what do you do with your campaign at that point? Do you leave it alone and just kind of let it do its own thing? Or is there things that you can do after the fact to continue optimizing it and getting better results over time? What happens if something goes wrong? How do you know how to fix that? How do you know where to look? Well, those are the kinds of questions that I'm going to be answering in my live class called Google Ads Essentials. And the whole point of Google Ads Essentials is to teach you the fundamentals of profitable campaigns that give you predictable results and that are easy to manage, because you don't have to be an expert at Google Ads to make it work for your business, but you do have to understand the fundamentals. So basically, Google Ads Essentials, like I said, is a live class that's going to be done online through Google Meets, similar to Zoom, in small groups, no larger than 6 people. And so you can enroll in one of these classes, and it'll be a 3-hour class on one day. And by the end of that 3 hours, you will know more about Google Ads than the majority of people who are actually using it and wasting a lot of time and money. So I just want to give you a quick outline of what the class covers. Topics-wise, the first part is we're going to be going over how does Google Ads work, and then how does the interface work. And you'll be able to, after that, that first part, you will be a pro at navigating, using all the filters to find all your campaigns and your ad groups, and know how to find the kind of metrics that are important that you're looking for, how to discern the data, all that kind of stuff. The second part is we're going to talk about the lifeblood of your campaigns, which are keywords and match types. These are what your search campaigns are built on, and knowing how these work is essential in harnessing the power of them to get you the best results possible. The third part is going to be on conversions and bid strategies. Conversions are basically a fancy term for sales or signups to your email list, or you kind of define what a conversion is. But conversions basically, in short, are the entire point of running Google Ads. If you don't have conversions, if you're not trying to optimize for those conversions, doesn't matter how many clicks you get, you're going to be wasting your money. So conversions, again, is the whole point. And bid strategies is an advanced way to make sure you get as many conversions as you possibly can out of your campaigns. Finally, fourth part, we're going to talk about ongoing optimization of your campaigns. What can you do after you've built your campaigns using the best practices? After that point, what can you do to continually be kind of ratcheting up that ROI after the fact? Because the truth is, your campaigns are going to perform at their worst in general at the very beginning when you first build them. But that's okay, that's normal. The normal process at that point is to continue making small adjustments here and there. It's a very simple process. You do it on a regular basis. It'll only take you a few minutes per week. And as you continue to do that, you will continue to see better and better and better results. And that is the whole goal. So anyway, I just wanted to give you that quick overview of Google Ads Essentials. I invite you to enroll. You can click on enroll and you'll be taken to a page where you can choose a date and time slot and pick whichever one works for you. And I look forward to talking with you live. You'll be able to participate in the class, ask questions, and make sure that you were getting out of it what you need to know. So anyway, thanks a lot. I look forward to seeing you in Google Ads Essentials. Have a wonderful day.